1, 2, 3, let's go. Hi everybody, I got this package from SHEIN. We're doing a SHEIN haul as you heard me say SHEIN. And some of the stuff are not mine. If I still show them an accident, it's okay. So I guess I need to open it carefully too. Hold the plastic. Can you help? Just wait. Today, all I was thinking about was the Taba Squishies. I never felt one, but I have felt a Taba mochi. I think that now mine got older, so soon I'm gonna throw it away. Taba mochi is like a Taba Squishy, but gets dirty, I think. And it was just $6 at Kmart. Australia. This styrofoam. I never got a package that. Maybe I think that's the cup. The styrofoam. I think this is the cup. That's the cup. Oh, it's so loud. I don't know why it's close to my speaker when it's so loud. I got some scissors. I need to be really careful to not scratch anything with the scissors. Oh my god! So I think that's the cup. And first we always start with the small stuff, and that's not mine. That's not mine. This whole thing. I can still show it. I'm gonna leave it in plastic though. I'm gonna leave it in tiny plastic. As you can see, it's a makeup brush. That's definitely not mine. And I also ordered a cute straw. You'll see how cute my stuff is. They match, they match. Oops. I'm so excited. Oh, I heard breaking. The bows came off. Or this is mine and I need to stick on the bow. There's 2 bows. I think there's a spare bow. The straw too, that's why we have 2 bows. Is it not really sticky, but I think it'll stick? Yeah, it sticks really good. It looks so... Let me peel this off. And I'll stick this on like that. Someone stole my cup. I like it sideways like that. My bone cup. Yeah, that's so bad. I think when we wash it, we're gonna take the bows out. No, it won't stick. You can see the detail. I'll move the straw here. And I like how you can close this off. So this is how it looks like. Put it there. This is not mine. It's so flat. I didn't know it would be that flat. Oh my god, I can see everything. So cute. Do I have to cut this? Oh, it goes like this. It's a weird, it's weird. I've never felt a Taba Squishy before. It's so sticky. Wow, it's so sticky. It's a cute octopus. it's so sticky. I can literally stick it on my fridge and cute decoration. It doesn't look like it would get dirty. Only if it falls on the ground. I think our ground is clean enough. You put it in the package and then move on. Next thing I can see that's mine is these good luck charms. Or these bestie charms. I said, can you put the octopus in there? See how cute that star is? See how cute that star is? You see this cute glittery heart? I have a blue version. I'll give this one to my friend and make a heart power. Cute little turtle. Smile face. If they put the badge on it, will look better. Cute sunflower. And then it has a note. Do you want me to read it? Happy face. It's him. Happy face. To bring you endless joy. Little turtle. To remind you that you're totally awesome. An angel. Oh, angel. You can put that in person. Angel to help, protect, and guide you. A heart conveying my love and care for you. Anything? Star to wish you luck. Sunflower to bring you courage and strength. So these all have a story, and it comes with a cute little bag. Little bag of friendship. That's so cute. I like how it has a message, so he understands. So cute. Let's put the sunflower, a heart, the angel, the star, the turtle, and the smile. Look, I put all of them in this patch. I didn't need help. They're so cute. I can kind of see them. So now Taba Squishy is cuter. I think they're both cute, I'm gonna say. None of them are cuter. They're both super cute. I guess I need to take it out. I wouldn't, because I have a pack of clay. Cute. Sorry, camera. What's in here? I think they're little charms. We're almost finished now. Now don't cut what's inside. They're little blind bags. Mystery bag. I'm just gonna open one. This one's super small. It's so cute! Aww. I never seen something like this. Because it's so small. So I think it would be good if can you give me that friendship bag? I feel like this looks like the turtle. I'm just gonna put it in here. So many bags. There's still some here. And there's just one more thing, so I'm just gonna do this later. This is my mom's cup. I don't know why it's less beautiful packaged than mine. I don't know why. Can I have you, Sissy? And there. Open, open, open. Does yours come with a straw? Yours is big. Yours is a square too. Wait, you have a jar? I didn't know you wanted a jar. Can I have a straw? Here is your strawberry. Mine, it's because, yeah, it's okay. We have plenty of other straws. This is not good because it's glass, right? I need to be careful here. So bye, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do stuff like that. And then you have some things on my channel. So bye. I'm gonna pick all the big pieces.